For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. In today's digital world, influencer marketing has evolved into a lucrative career path. Becoming an influencer involves more than just posting photos online. It requires strategy, branding, content planning, analytics, and community building. Fortunately, free AI tools can help you build an influencer business from the ground up without needing a team or expensive software. This guide walks you step by step through how to start an influencer business using free AI, with specific tools, uses, and prompt examples for each phase. Step 1. Define your niche and personal brand. Before you create any content, you need to decide who you are online. This means identifying your niche, tone of voice, values, and the kind of audience you want to attract. Use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm your personal brand. Use ChatGPT to run this prompt. I want to become a social media influencer. Suggest 5 niche ideas based on my interests and insert your hobbies, passions, expertise. For each, describe my potential audience, tone of voice, and monetization strategy. After choosing a niche, use Canva's free AI Magic Write tool inside Canva Docs to write a personal branding statement. You can ask, write a compelling influencer bio for my Instagram and TikTok profile based on my niche and insert niche that reflects a fun, authentic, and informative voice. Step 2. Create a business plan for your influencer brand. Even if you're the only employee, treat your influencer business like a startup. Outline your goals, revenue streams, platforms, and growth strategies. Use ChatGPT with the following prompt. Create a simple influencer business plan for a beginner in the Insert Niche. Include target audience, content strategy, monetization options, short-term goals, and long-term growth plan. You can also use Notion AI, available with free Notion accounts, to organize your business plan into sections and use its smart blocks to track tasks and progress. Step 3. Choose and optimize your social platforms. Decide where your target audience spends time: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn. Choose 1 to 2 platforms to start. Use ChatGPT to compare platforms using this prompt. Compare Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for someone starting out as an influencer in the Insert Niche. Which platform is easiest to grow on in 2025 and why? Once you choose, use Canva's free social media templates to design profile banners, highlight covers, and profile pictures that match your brand identity. Step 4. Develop a content strategy and calendar. Your content must consistently engage, entertain, or educate. Free AI can help you map out content pillars and generate ideas in minutes. In ChatGPT, try this prompt. Create a 30-day content calendar for a new influencer in the Insert Niche. Include post types, e.g., reels, stories, lives, captions, and posting frequency for Instagram and TikTok. You can also use Notion AI or Trello with templates to manage your publishing schedule and track engagement. Step 5. Generate captions, scripts, and hashtags. Creating engaging copy is essential for posts, reels, and videos. Free AI tools can write your captions, video scripts, and find relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Write 5 engaging Instagram captions for Insert Niche influencer. Include strong hooks, a call to action, and relevant emojis. For video, use the prompt. Write a 60-second TikTok script for Insert Niche influencer introducing themselves to their audience. For hashtags, use the free tool Tagi.ai, Freemium, or ChatGPT. Generate 15 high-engagement hashtags for Instagram for Insert Niche influencer targeting Gen Z in the US. Step 6. Produce visual content with free AI tools. Visuals are everything in the influencer space. Free tools like Canva and CapCut, video editing, can help you design and edit standout content. Canva's AI image generator and Magic Design help you create scroll-stopping thumbnails and social posts, while CapCut's free templates and auto-caption features streamline short-form video editing. Use Canva's magic media prompt. Generate a YouTube thumbnail or Instagram carousel post for a wellness influencer giving morning routine tips. Use CapCut's script-to-video feature or upload footage and ask it to auto-edit with music, transitions, and captions. Step 7. Build your audience and community. Audience growth requires engagement and authenticity. Use free AI to plan outreach strategies, schedule responses, and even draft DMs and comments that build relationships. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Create a weekly engagement plan for insert niche influencer to organically grow followers on Instagram and TikTok. Include actions like responding to comments, DMs, following similar creators, and going live. You can also use Buffer's free version to schedule posts in advance and track best-performing content. Combine this with Later's free link in bio tool to create a mini website for your socials. Step 8. Analyze performance and adjust strategy. Once you're posting consistently, track what's working and what's not. You don't need advanced analytics tools to do this. Use platform-native analytics and pair that with AI-generated reports. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Summarize and interpret this performance data. Instagram, 15 posts, 10,000 reach, 2% engagement rate. TikTok, 12 videos, 200,000 views, 12% engagement rate. Recommend content and posting adjustments for next month. Paste real numbers from your creator dashboards to get customized insights. You can also log this data in Google Sheets and ask Google Gemini via Sheets, help me organize feature to detect patterns and visualize your growth. Step 9. Monetize your influence. Once you have a growing audience, you can begin to monetize through brand deals, affiliate links, digital products, or fan subscriptions. Free AI can help you draft pitch emails, negotiate deals, and even design your first product. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Write a brand pitch email for a micro-influencer in the insert niche space to collaborate with skincare brands. Include engagement stats, unique value, and a call to action. Use Canva to design media kits, and try ConvertKit's free creator plan to start collecting emails or launching digital products like guides, presets, or mini courses. Conclusion. Starting an influencer business today doesn't require a big budget or agency support. With free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut, Notion AI, and Buffer, you can define your brand, build content, engage your audience, and monetize your influence like a pro. Success won't happen overnight, but with consistency, creativity, and smart use of AI, you can build a sustainable and scalable influencer business with nothing but your smartphone, internet access, and a strong voice. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.